Okay, let's see how to solve this, right? So it's very powerful because whenever I change the value, here will change. Now, how do I do that is that every time there is a space, I'll break it into a different column. Or another way is break it into a different row. How do I do that? I use the text split. Let's do the text split. Quote text split. Click on this text, comma, and then our delimiter is a space. So we just put in space, right? And close parenthesis. Now, how do I do it or vertical instead of horizontal? Very similar. You just type equals split, sorry, text split, and same. The value is here. The trick is here. Don't use the column delimiter, but use the row delimiter. So the delimiter is a space, and that's about it. So yeah, enter this, right? So you can see that the many other things as well, right? So um now if I add more names here, it shows more items, and this is okay, right? How about if I say here I use a different delimiter, it uses slash, and I still want it to be split, whether it's a space or a forward slash. I want it to split. How do we achieve that? Is that over here you put a curly bracket, doing this thing here. So you're going to tell Excel that not only a space is a delimiter, it can be also slash forward slash is a delimiter. And let's see if that works. No, what happened? Huh? I have a curly bracket, yes, and and a comma, curly bracket, and here is a space, and enter. Oh, still cannot. Why? Why it doesn't follow? Why it doesn't make sense? Comma, curly bracket. I think we don't need this curly bracket. Yeah. So curly bracket, but inside there is no double quote. Just how my mistake was. I put a bracket here. Now it works fine, right? Okay. By learning a mistake, we know how exactly to enter this the next time. Thanks for watching. Right, again, you learn text split by one delimiter or text split by a different type of delimiter.